What's happening, CircuitPoint tech family? Smart glasses have been the next big thing for years, but let's be honest, most of them have been overpriced tech demos that made you look like you raided a sci-fi movie prop department. But something just shifted in a major way. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses just dropped some seriously impressive updates that might finally bridge the gap between futuristic concept and everyday utility. We're talking AI that can actually see and understand your world, translation features that work in real-time professional-grade streaming capabilities, and most importantly, they look like actual sunglasses that humans would willingly wear in public. I've been testing these updates extensively, and I'm not exaggerating when I say this might be the tipping point where smart glasses go from cool gadget to essential daily tool. Today we're breaking down the 6 major upgrades that transform these from expensive novelty to genuinely useful wearable tech. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Ray-Ban Meta updates actually matter. Meta AI Visual Intelligence. The absolute biggest upgrade is Meta AI with real-world visual awareness, and this feature alone justifies calling these glasses revolutionary. This isn't just voice commands anymore. The AI can literally see what you're looking at and understand it contextually. Picture this. You're walking through a new city, look at a historic building, and simply ask, "Hey Meta, what is this place?" Instantly, you get detailed information about landmarks, architectural details, historical context, even restaurant recommendations nearby. The AI processes visual information in real time and provides relevant, useful responses. But it gets better for practical use. Snap a photo of ingredients scattered on your kitchen counter and ask, "What can I cook with this?" The AI analyzes the image and suggests actual recipes. Look at a menu in a foreign language, take a picture, and get instant translations with context about local dishes. The real-time conversation translation covers English, French, Italian, Spanish, and German, and here's the killer feature. It works offline with downloadable language packs. No Wi-Fi required when you're exploring international destinations. You can also get directions, quick facts, reminders, recipe suggestions, or notification summaries without pulling out your phone. The interaction feels conversational. No need to constantly repeat "Hey Meta" for follow-up questions. This transforms the glasses from a voice assistant into an intelligent visual companion that enhances how you experience the world around you. Professional audio system. The second major upgrade focuses on audio performance, and Meta clearly learned from user feedback about communication quality. The new 5-microphone array delivers studio-quality voice pickup for calls, video recordings, and live streams. Whether you're taking business calls while walking or creating content for social media, your voice comes through crystal clear and professional. The spatial audio processing eliminates background noise while preserving your natural vocal tone. For playback, the balanced audio delivery keeps voices crisp, adds depth to music, and maintains call clarity even in noisy environments like busy streets or crowded cafes. The open-ear design means you stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying high-quality audio. This isn't about replacing high-end headphones for critical listening. It's about providing consistent, reliable audio quality for daily communication and content creation without the bulk of traditional audio gear. The audio upgrade makes these glasses genuinely practical for professional use, content creators, and anyone who values clear communication throughout their day. Live streaming and POV recording. The third upgrade revolutionizes content creation with effortless live streaming and point-of-view recording capabilities. That 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera built into the frame captures video directly from your perspective, creating truly immersive content experiences. Live streaming to Instagram or Facebook happens with a single tap. Your audience doesn't just watch your content, they see the world exactly as you experience it. For creators, vloggers, travel enthusiasts, or anyone wanting to share authentic moments, this eliminates the awkward process of holding phones or setting up cameras. The POV switching feature during video calls is brilliant. While on a call, you can instantly switch between your phone's camera and the glasses' perspective. Want to show friends the concert you're at, the view from your hiking trail, or your cooking setup? One tap switches the view seamlessly. Combined with the improved 5-microphone spatial audio system, your streams and calls don't just look immersive, they sound professional. The audio-visual integration creates content that feels authentic and engaging rather than staged or artificial. This upgrade positions the glasses as serious content creation tools rather than just convenient recording devices. For the growing creator economy, this represents a genuine workflow improvement that saves time and creates better content. Privacy-focused open-ear audio. The fourth upgrade addresses one of the biggest concerns about wearable audio: maintaining situational awareness while enjoying private listening experiences. The open-ear speakers built into the arms direct sound specifically toward your ears without blocking environmental audio. This design keeps you aware of traffic, conversations, and ambient sounds, making them significantly safer for daily wear compared to traditional earbuds or headphones. You can listen to music, take calls, or interact with Meta AI while remaining connected to your surroundings. The Whisper Mode feature ensures audio privacy so people nearby can't overhear your calls, music, or AI interactions. This subtle technology makes a significant difference in public spaces like coffee shops, public transportation, or office environments. Despite the open-ear design, audio clarity remains impressive. Vocals sound crisp, calls stay clear, and music maintains depth without audio leakage that disturbs others around you. This upgrade strikes the perfect balance between personal audio enjoyment and social awareness, making the glasses practical for all-day wear in various social and professional contexts. All-day battery and portable charging. The fifth upgrade tackles the practical challenge that kills most wearable devices: battery anxiety. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses deliver up to 4 hours of continuous active use, which covers extended live streaming sessions, long calls, or intensive AI interactions. For typical daily use patterns, taking photos, listening to music intermittently, answering calls, asking AI questions, you're looking at comfortable all-day usage without charging concerns. The portable charging case is the real game changer here. It provides 4 complete recharges on the go, extending total usage across multiple days before needing wall power. The case protects the glasses while charging, similar to the AirPods experience but applied to smart glasses. This charging solution eliminates the biggest barrier to daily wearable adoption: the fear of your device dying when you need it most. You can travel, work long days, or use the glasses intensively without constantly monitoring battery levels. The convenience factor makes these glasses practical for real-world use rather than just occasional novelty experiences. Everyday wearable design. The sixth upgrade might seem superficial, but it's actually crucial for mainstream adoption. These glasses look and feel like normal Ray-Ban sunglasses that people actually want to wear. Most smart glasses scream tech gadget with bulky frames, obvious cameras, or futuristic designs that make you look like a walking product demo. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses nail the classic aesthetic. You can wear them in professional meetings, casual social settings, or formal events without drawing unwanted attention. The lightweight, balanced design eliminates the wearing a computer on your face feeling that plagues most smart glasses. The frames come in multiple classic Ray-Ban styles and colors, so you can choose options that match your personal style rather than accepting whatever the tech company decided looked futuristic. Comfort during extended wear is exceptional. The glasses fit like regular eyewear with subtle touch controls integrated into the arms. You can adjust settings without looking like you're randomly poking your face. This design philosophy recognizes a fundamental truth: if wearable technology doesn't integrate seamlessly into existing style and comfort expectations, most people simply won't adopt it regardless of functionality. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses succeed because they prioritize looking good and feeling comfortable while delivering advanced technology features. Real-world impact and use cases. Let's talk about why these upgrades matter beyond just cool tech specs. These improvements address real-world problems that make smart glasses practical for daily life rather than occasional novelty use. For travelers, the combination of visual AI, offline translation, and directional guidance eliminates language barriers and navigation anxiety. You can explore confidently while maintaining natural eye contact and social awareness. Content creators get professional quality streaming and recording tools that capture authentic perspectives without complex equipment setup. The audio quality ensures your content sounds as good as it looks. Business professionals can take calls, access AI assistants, and stay connected while maintaining natural social interactions and situational awareness. The discreet design works in professional environments where obvious tech gadgets might be inappropriate. Students and learners benefit from instant translations, contextual information about their environment, and AI assistance with research or homework questions, all while keeping hands-free for note-taking or other tasks. The key insight is that these upgrades transform smart glasses from entertainment gadgets into productivity tools that enhance, rather than distract from real-world activities. And that's our deep dive into the 6 game-changing Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses updates for 2025. From AI visual intelligence to all-day battery life, these improvements represent the first time smart glasses feel genuinely practical for everyday use. The combination of advanced AI capabilities, professional audio quality, seamless content creation, privacy-focused design, reliable battery life, and classic wearable style creates a product that finally delivers on the smart glasses promise. Are you ready to make the jump to wearable computing, or are you still waiting for the technology to mature further? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm curious whether these updates address your main concerns about smart glasses adoption. If this breakdown helped you understand why the 2025 Ray-Ban Meta updates matter, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to CircuitPoint. We're constantly testing the latest wearable tech, AI developments, and computing innovations to help you make informed decisions about emerging technology. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and analyses. Check the description for current pricing and availability information. Until next time, this is CircuitPoint, and remember, the best technology is the kind that enhances your life without getting in the way. We'll see you in the next one.